5 factors that makes a restaurant website good. In the real world, a restaurant is judged by the quality of food, service, ambience, accessibility of location, and pricing. However, the effectiveness of a restaurant website depends on the online user experience that is delivered to potential customers. So, what makes a good restaurant website? Here are 5 factors that will make your restaurant website stand out from your competitors' websites. Number 1. Accurate representation of the brand. Many potential customers visit restaurant websites to find out what they can expect when they visit the restaurant. So, a good restaurant website should serve as a virtual representation of the business. The appearance and content should reflect the mood of the restaurant. Number 2. Relevant and updated information. Your website is a one-stop destination for all information that a customer seeks about your restaurant. So your website must include the menu, pricing details, the opening and closing time, availability of online booking, and contact details. Users may also look for location details on your website. To make it easy for them to receive real-time directions, embed Google Maps on your website. This will help them to plan their visit. Number 3. Online menu. Did you know that 80% of customers prefer restaurant websites with an online menu? The menu helps a customer decide whether the restaurant serves food that he wants, and if it fits his budget. Include a menu with prices on your website, and you will attract the right type of customers. Number 4. Easy accessibility. Not only should your restaurant website have relevant information about your business, but it should also be easily accessible. So it is important to place the information in such a way that it is easy to find. Use a simple navigation layout, and make your phone number and operating hours visible on the home page itself. Number 5. Mobile optimization. Most users browse the internet on their handheld devices than on desktops and laptops. So, your website must be mobile-friendly. Optimize your website for handheld devices by choosing a responsive design that displays well on different types of mobile devices. Other than these, there are 4 more factors that make a restaurant website great. You will find a link to those 4 additional factors in the description below. Now that you know all about the factors that make a restaurant website good, are you wondering how much is it actually going to cost you to create your restaurant website? I have created a detailed tutorial listing all the costs associated with creating a restaurant website. Click the link that is displaying right now at the top of this video to watch that tutorial. And, if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.